Hello, this is Dan. I was in Hong Kong 10 years ago. I remember it just like it was yesterday. I just cannot forget this hilarious story. So my relatives came back from Australia, America, China, Japan, and we all came back to Hong Kong. And our cousin in Hong Kong showed us around. After 6 hours of going around Hong Kong, he left us in Tsim Sha Tsui, in the harbour city. Lots of shopping shops. And he said, I'll be back around 10 minutes. He had to go to the bank or something, and when he finished, he actually gave us a call, and he said, let's meet at Dairy Farm. So we thought, dairy farm? Can there be a dairy farm in a shopping center? Then, not long after, we looked at each other and said, what the fuck? Cannot find dairy farm. So we began to look left, right, center, forward, and try to search for the dairy farm, but we couldn't find it. Then I thought to myself, is there a place where you can squeeze the cow nipple and squeeze your own milk in the shopping center, or directly suck from the cow's udder? You don't have to squeeze. Look! Very fresh. Not long after, we actually stuck together and walked straight, and we find this Dairy Farm bakery. And it must be the place. So we went there, he was there, we asked him, you said Dairy Farm? He said, Dairy Farm. Same. All in all, we had a good giggle. It was so fun. Come to Hong Kong. Oh wow, look, you don't have to squeeze. Fresh. If you don't want to waste any, look, you do this. Oh dear, look what happened. Milk is good for you. Oh yeah, look. Oh, sorry, Annie, sorry.